1. Peas are a great protein source, and also make many dishes far yummier than they normally are. 2. Spinach is already quite popular when it comes to superfoods. 3. Kale, not only one of the healthiest vegetables but also a common name amongst streamers for some reason. 4. Broccoli. In addition to protein, you'll also find high levels of minerals, antioxidants, and fiber in your broccoli. There's such a large number of varieties for this one vegetable. One of the greatest things about eating sprouts is the fact that they are alive until you pick them out. 6. Mushrooms, one of the few edible fungi that you'll find. Mushrooms are fun to eat because of their firm texture. 7. Brussels sprouts, but this vegetable is a no-brainer due to its rich fiber content as well as the high levels of a protein that it contains. 8. Artichokes are certainly an interesting food item. They are very high in fiber. In fact, a single medium-sized artichoke can contain as much as 6 grams of dietary fiber. 9. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, this member of the legume family is a favorite of vegans and vegetarians. Chickpeas come with a potent protein punch of 16 grams in every cup. 3 cups of chickpeas are enough to sustain the protein needs of a 200-pound man. 10. Quinoa is a super crop, as designated by the United Nations, due to its nutrient-dense properties and high protein content. At 8 grams of protein per cup, quinoa is one of the most abundant forms of natural protein. 11. Pumpkin seeds carry a whopping 7 grams of protein in every 30-gram serving, making them a serious source of protein. 12. Soybeans. When we consume plant-based sources of protein, the digestive system breaks these proteins down into amino acids which absorb into the bloodstream. The blood carries these amino acids throughout the body where muscle tissues absorb them to enhance the repair from exercise-induced stress. 13. Avocado. This delicious superfruit has a creamy taste, and it's excellent when sliced in salads, smashed on toast, or pureed into guacamole. Each cup of sliced avocado yields around 4 grams of protein, making it an ideal fruit to add to your daily protein totals. 14. Artichokes. While artichokes are a thistle and not a vegetable, we think they deserve inclusion in this list of top protein vegetables to add to your diet. Artichokes contain around 4 grams of protein in every serving, making them one of the best sources of plant-based protein. 15. Lima beans. These legumes pack a potent protein punch in every serving, with 1 cup of the beans holding 10 grams of protein. Compared to other legumes like chickpeas, lima beans have almost 20% more protein per serving. Click the link below to get your free superfood ebook.